In a significant development that has stirred public discourse across Nigeria, an Ilorin High Court on July 31, 2025, sentenced AbdulRahman Bello to death by hanging for the ritual killing of his alleged girlfriend, Hafsoh Lawal. The case, which involved cold-blooded murder for ritual purposes, shocked the conscience of the Kwara community and added to the growing concerns over the rise of violent crimes such as kidnapping and ritual killings in Nigeria. AbdulRahman's sentencing came after a relatively prompt trial process, which many have hailed as an encouraging sign that the Nigerian judiciary can respond with speed and firmness when required. The swiftness of this judgment has not only offered justice to the victim's family, but also sent a strong message to would-be perpetrators that Nigeria's justice can no longer be taken for granted. In recent years, Nigeria has witnessed a disturbing rise in ritual killings and kidnappings, from urban centers to rural communities. Reports of individuals, particularly women and children, being abducted or murdered for money rituals have become commonplace. These acts are often fueled by myth, get-rich-quick mentalities, and deepening socio-economic desperation. Data from various human rights organizations and media reports indicate a troubling normalization of these crimes, particularly among young people who are lured into cultism and ritualism under the illusion of fast wealth. This trend has made many citizens lose confidence in the safety of public spaces and the effectiveness of the legal system. What distinguishes the AbdulRahman Bello case is not just the horror of the crime, but the relative speed with which the wheels of justice turned. Legal observers note that it took less than 6 months from arrest to final sentencing, a sharp contrast to other ritual killing cases that have dragged on for up to a decade or more. For instance, the infamous case of Tope Aro, who was arrested in 2013 in Ibadan for the murder of several women used in ritualistic activities, remained unresolved for years. Court adjournments, lack of proper prosecution, and alleged political interference stalled justice until a verdict was finally delivered in 2021. By then, public interest had waned, and the impact of the ruling was blunted. Similarly, in the Okeafa teenagers' ritual case in Ogun State in 2022, where a group of young boys murdered a girl for ritual purpose, the trial experienced repeated delays, and as of mid-2025, the final judgment is still pending. These delays create room for manipulation, erode public trust, and often embolden others to replicate similar